Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about mothering. I'm talking about the one GOAT, the greatest of all time in the women's 100-meter sprints. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is out here killing it. Trackies, I mean the global sprint icon at this particular point, legendary in the sport, and of course transcending the sport of athletics too. And if you don't believe me, you're all gonna see proof in this video that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is the one done when it comes to the women's 100 meters. And guess what? The world is now stepping up the recognition of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, and I'm absolutely here for it. Now, guess what? Nike finally, because a long time I did ask Nike what go on, where all of the banner them and all of the different little mannequin them me supposed to see I make a Shelly, not make it yet, what go on. Well, guess what track is? Nike put up a big banner at their head office, and it says with Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's face, been there, won that. Yes, track is at that them I tell you, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the greatest of all time in the women's 100-meter sprint, has been there. Guess what track is? She's not at her fifth Olympic Games. Yeah, she got four before this, and she walked away with two gold, 2008 and also in 2012. And I'm talking about individually. Yes, so she's been there and she's won that. And if you want to throw in relay as well, yeah, she walk away with gold too in a that as well. Trackies. So with that being said, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce not new to this, and I'm gonna show you say who is the iconic sprinter. So no matter tell me all of the chatting zone I have and the whole heap of rumblings, because Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has been there and she's won that point blank period. So chat to fear back. Now with that being said, trackies, Shannon Fraser Price, I'm finally glad that she's getting the recognition, well deserved recognition, because I've been talking about this for months. I've been watching, the moves by Nike when it comes to some athletes, and I'm saying, hey, this is Shelly-Ann Fraser Price, the greatest of all time in this event. You should be doing more. So I'm happy seeing this big banner of her at the Nike head office. And also, I believe there's a billboard of her in New York City with, that little snippet playing, a little video snippet playing of the been there won that of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. So yes, I'm excited that Nike is doing right by Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce for this Paris Olympic Games. I do believe that more needs to be done, to be fair, but guess what? We take it and go on, and hopefully we see more when it comes to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce being put out there to the world as she should. Well, at this particular point, she's a global sprint icon. So I mean, I know what Nike did a weight pan still, but I'm still excited to see this. And track is another reason why Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is mother at this particular moment, because an athlete in the athletes village was straight up fangirling over Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. She just caught a glimpse of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and she literally broke down in tears. She's like, oh my God, I just saw Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Also, iconic Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce be. So we Jamaican spoil, we have these legendary athletes. I walk up and down, we meet all day, every day, and it's like nothing to us, but to other people, they're like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. You know what I mean? So track is the legendary icon. Just seeing her, just a slight glimpse of her sent shivers down her spine and made her break out into tears. Tell me, says she and a mother. Tell me, says Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and a mother. I'm gonna let you take a look at the snippet trackies, and I'll catch you all in another one.
I just saw Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Oh my God. Oh. Holy shit.